So today is a very exciting day because this morning 16 of these beauties were delivered, which are the very first printed copies of my book, Do You Sweat the Small Stuff? So I am going to open these. I want to say this day, the prospect of this day has been so important to me. At some of the deepest, darkest times during the writing process, when it really felt like I was losing the wrestling match with this book, I would see other authors unboxing their books and see the excitement on their faces and think, I will get there. I will do that one day. So this is now that day for me. Try and not slice myself open. I will also say that I've been giving these boxes side-eye in the hall for about the last hour and a half. Slightly nervous to open them. Fear of disappointment is real, people. Oh my goodness. Wow! Look at it. It's so pretty. Wow. That is just genuinely. It's slightly, honestly, there's something slightly weird about it. Like all the words I poured the blood, sweat and tears at times into, just in a real physical book with my photo on the back. Like, this is really me. So, yay! That's very exciting. I will also use this opportunity to say two things. One, please do come and join me for the live online launch, which will be on a LinkedIn Live on the 9th of July at 4 p.m. UK time. Everybody is welcome. I will pop a link or details of how to join in the comments or in the caption. And secondly, and finally, just to say, I'm really proud of myself. And I don't think we say that about ourselves enough, but there were a lot of times I didn't really believe I was capable of doing this. I didn't think I had the discipline or the staying power. And this is very physical proof that I do, and I did. And so here it is. I'm really excited to share this with the world. So, yay!